to get started with probate, because this is new to me, I need to contact the state attorneys that have full authority. Is that correct?
Yeah, so to get started with probate, I would say get educated on the probate process. You know,
Okay.
yeah. So for example, I'm holding a class tomorrow from 9 to 10:30. Go to learnprobate.com. It's an hour and a half. The price is terrific. The entry fee is terrific. It's free. Is there
My
anything
favorite.
cheaper? Is there anything cheaper than free, John?
No. Free is my favorite word.
It's free. Start out with learning the process first. You know, because you can make the contact, but once you make the contact, if you don't know what you're doing, you don't know different than full authority, limited authority, you don't know how the probate process starts, you don't know how long it takes, you don't know when you can take the listing, I would learn first. Learn probate first, and then you can talk on the marketing next. Then you can call Bill and say, okay, Bill, I understand the probate process now. Bill, help me out. What's the next move? So I would do that first. Learn this stuff first.
Yeah.
John,
where do you sell real estate?
Los Angeles County, west
Nice.
side. Yeah, west side of LA. We have a escrow closing today. We do a lot of referrals, expireds, canceleds, FSBOs, all that in the ladder. I'm just always, with EXP, with real estate, there's always something new to learn. And I know that this is, probate is not something that I know. So I'm just trying to, expand my horizons here. Yeah.
See, okay, so you talked about probate. But the question should be, when a homeowner passes away, the son or daughter comes to see you, what's the first thing you're going to do, John?
See if they have a trust or not.
Yeah, exactly. And don't know what you know how to do, and don't know what you can tell if you can pull the grandee. So you pull the grandee, the house is in a trust. There's no probate. What's the next step you're going to do, John? You pull the grandee, the house is in a trust. What's the next step you're going to do? Mom died with 4 children. What's the next step you're going to do to get the listing?
Contact an estate attorney, correct?
No, you just ask for a copy of the trust to see who is the successor trustee, and you let that successor trustee sign your listing agreement. Voila, there's your commission. We talk about probate, but there's a whole side of this trust that you need to learn as well. When a homeowner died, unless you can go to heaven to have him sign a grandee to the house, you better know what to do, right? So
you better know the process.
So don't just get stuck on probate, because there's a ton of people that die with a trust. What do you do when they die with a trust, right? So it's a more holistic, hey, how do you help homeowner who passed away, the heirs, the children?
Think of the estate plan also like a safe. And sometimes they forget, oh yeah, there is a safe in the closet. Oh yeah, we have a estate plan. Well, great, let's look inside the safe and see what's there. Let's look inside the trust and see what's there. It's written in English, and usually you can help them figure out who, they may or may not know who the successor trustee is, and you can help them.
Yeah, John, your let's say, one of your client mom and dad passed away. They come to see you, you pull the grandee. Imagine in that conversation when you meet with the son and daughter, how knowledgeable would you be to say, hey, bring the trust, go look for the trust. You flip through the trust, you find, oh, Sister Mary is a successor trustee. Wouldn't you look so professional to say, hey, this is the law. Mom left the trust, the house is the trust. The trust shows that Mary, the daughter, is a successor trustee. She has the power to sign the listing agreement, sell the house, and divide everything by 4. Wow, John, you are an expert. You are half this listing, right?
Yeah, the expert's just somebody who knows one more step than they do. So go to Paul's training tomorrow. Is one way it's a free resource. If you're with the XP, I run the probate group in the XP. We have 1,200 members. I post a lot of good free content there. Come to this call every week. This is free as well. And I have a Facebook group for anybody who's not with the XP, probate experts in Facebook. and come there as well for free. And I post a lot of material there as well.